Hello, my name is Lisa Uresti. I am from Western Nebraska. I grew up in Mitchell. I just recently moved here to go to UNK. I have my associate's degree in elementary education. I am working on my bachelor's here, and I am just doing general studies. It's a new program that UNK has started last fall. And so it's a little bit interesting. I get to just choose just like a smattering of different classes. And so I chose this class. So I'm really excited to see what this semester has in store. I would like to move on and get my master's in mental health and work with special needs children, more specifically children with autism. And I work at KEC, which is the Kearney Education Center right now as a special education para. And I get to spend a lot of time with children who have autism. In our classroom, we have 5 children who have autism and then 4 who may possibly be on the spectrum. So we have a lot of children in the classroom that are special needs. And so it's a lot of fun. I get really great experience working with them every day, and they're so sweet, and I just love going to work every day and getting to see them and work with them. I have had previous leadership experiences. I led a worship team at church. When I was in school, I was the captain of the chess club. And it's basically it. I do sub a little bit, so I'm able to be a teacher sometimes and not just the para. So that's a lot of fun. So a fun fact about me, I crochet and I knit. I've been crocheting since I was 18, so it's been a long time. And so I just recently started my own small business selling homemade beanies, head wraps. I've attempted to make a few sweaters, and I make Afghans and stuff like that. So that's been a journey of itself. It was really hard. Thinking about doing it was like, oh, this would be fun and easy. It's a small business, but there's so much that goes into it. And when I first opened, I got a lot of orders. It was really hard to keep up. So I know for next fall to have my inventory well stocked before I open up orders again. I love to travel. I just recently traveled to Hawaii for New Year's, this last New Year's. So that was a lot of fun. It was great to be out there. I've never been to Hawaii, so it was a great experience hiking through the jungle and going to the beach and whatnot. So thank you for listening to my little spiel, and I can't wait to get to know everyone, and I'm really excited about this class. Thank you.